Okay everyone, so here I am on the final video on the list, and I suppose you're just after you're getting some data graphed, and you can see there that you've got certain temperatures, and you can also fix the y-axis to do whatever, but quite simply this. So you've got your readings, you're looking at your data there, and you're kind of saying to yourself, okay, what's the story? What is going on here? Well, the temperatures are certain readings, and you might say, make some analysis of this, make a hypothesis. What's going on in terms of the ventilation in the rooms, in terms of, you've got to make some theories and support them with your answers. Like, why did you start this project? What was the ultimate reason for it? What you're trying to help people prevent them getting COVID-19, but you wanted to do something with your artifact to try and do that. So what are these readings telling you? What do you hope to gather from them? What's the supporting claims, or why are you doing it? And basically that's it. And a bit more, but look, we'll leave it at that.